Guys, the chicken back them look so lovely at all. This a pure bone. $44? I'm gonna buy rice, I'm gonna buy meat. Are you dumb? You're crazy.
Hamburger, hello.
Say hey to the vlog.
What?
Say hey, cuties. Hey, cute family. Listen, people, I'm in a good mood today. Why? I don't know. I do not know. But I just get out work. I just go visit the doctor for the same. Remember we did this. So much things light up on the carrier. What the heck is this? It's like everything that can go bad with your car, all I let them turn up on this right now. Every single one. That can be possible. Okay, there you go. But anyway, I just came from the doctor. They don't see anything why my breathing is off. Now they must say my vitamin D is low. Like it's supposed to be at 3 something and it's at 2 something. I don't know. I know me can't get back into the app. This app looks wonderful to play with. But anyway, other than that, everything checks out fine. So I don't really understand the breathing. It must be because the weight, or like my friend here said, it's probably too much sodium in my diet or something. So I need to work on that. Yeah. But anyway, we are healthy and we are good. We are blessed and highly favored, and we thank God for that. So we are moving on, right? Right. I'm about to go to the supermarket. I'm gonna buy some kidney. Do you guys like kidney? I love kidney. It's one of my comfort food. Love it, love it. I can't eat liver for save my life. Can never eat some liver. Can I go? No, just walking. I mean, if like a doctor said to me, say you need some iron, some blood, whatever, I'll eat it, but I don't like it. So, I'll get some kidney. Why? Jesus. Little mouse. It's a foolishness. Because I can't bother for putting up in the thing. But I'm going to tell you, I got to be more careful with this camera, yo. Because what was that? Can I? Fucking stupid. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I'm going to get some kidney. And you know, I don't know. Because my mother gave me 3 aki. So if I'm going to that store here, I'm going to see some nice chicken back. But probably not bother with the... But probably not bother... Why am I a scratch, mister? If I see some pretty chicken back, I'm probably not bother with the what do they call it? The kidney. Right? So yeah. Cuties, make sure you guys are liking the video, please. And newbies, please like the video, subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. Okay, darling? Thank you. Thank you, guys. I feel like me to eat some seafood, but can't afford it. Me can never afford that. Not today anyway. Let me take my bag. That's the reason why I'm always a loss. That's the reason why I'm always a loss my card. Because I always take out the card out of the bag. And then I can't find it. Hi guys. I love you all. Thank you guys so much. Let's go. Ooh. Yeah, one thing with the vegetable in here, none of them look so fresh now. Like in here, just well stocked and well packed. Let me get the green and red. Then get the yellow and orange. It's crazy. Shit, them look shriveled. Guys, the chicken back them look so lovely at all. This a pure bone. Me can't deal with this. Nope. That not gonna work. And me not see no kidney. So maybe we have to go around and call us. Oh my god. No. Seriously? That's okay. Guys, me I gotta ask you a question because I want to know if me I go crazy these days or I just never noticed it before. Literally, onion, pepper, you know see what me just take up a while ago. Nothing else. One pear, scallion, thyme, onion, sweet pepper, and not even a bag of sweet pepper. It's 2 sweet pepper, 2 sweet pepper, 1 small bag of onion, 1 very tiny this thing. How in the world is my bill $44? Me not understand it. Me not come back a Bravo. But me not know if me a trip out recently or shit just got really expensive. Me not buy no meat and me not buy no rice. No meat, no rice and $44. Me want carry it back. Me in a complete shock. Me not understand. Me not get well upon this to $44. $43. 43, whatever they want to call it. Something right here, so. Something right here, so. Something can't right here, so, because something right here, so. Hold on there. Crazy. Me carry it back. I have to carry it back because Cuties, is it? Me not understand if it's because me fear talk out things lately why me realize there's something not right. But $44? I'm gonna buy rice, I'm gonna buy meat. Are you dumb? You're crazy. Ooh, for 44. Me care about that in this a while ago with the receipt and ask them. Oh, me can just check this over for me. I wanna see out of the 5 things I'm gonna buy or 6 things, whatever. I wanna see where come up to $44 because everything said $2, $1, $4. we come up to $44. And the lady did check it. By the time she reached 3 items, I see 18 something. I say, miss, what is that? No, what is that? I say, well, that's for freaking $18. She's like, this is the thing. I mean, I said, listen. Nobody gonna further. This is not a phone fault. I know only I work here. But can you just please run me back my money? Just give me my money. Crazy. You're mad. $44 for seasoning. Oh my God, that is the weirdest thing. And remember, say you can go to a supermarket, you know, and spend $150 of food in your fridge. So, $44. Am I making sense? Am I going crazy? I mean, you alone just noticed that? Or this been going on for a while now and me just notice it? Because, no girl, that not gonna sit right with me. I'd rather not cook. Crazy. Seasonal one. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go, I think I had something else to do. What else I had to do? The returns. I'm gonna go to Carlos and get the meat from Carlos. I'm sure Carlos have kidney. And I know them have some good chicken back. So I'm gonna figure that out. So I'm gonna go to Carlos. Like, cause right on my brain, little more. Cause what? What's up, cuties? I just come from the next supermarket. May I show you when I go home. May I show you say I never crazy. But another that I come for tell you now. I just want to make you know say. And every time these prophets or these people come up to you upon the road talking shit about your life, you need to get like crazy about it. Because let me tell you what just happened to me just now. Me in a supermarket and me I walk, I pick up my meat and my something. And one lady walk up to me. She walk up to me and she's like, hi. I'm like, hey. She's like, you look so good in your uniform. I'm like, thank you. She's like, yeah man, uniform, sit down pan you just look sexy and nice. And she now come off like she look me, so me know so that was not it. So I'm like, okay, thanks, respect for that, you know, yeah. She went on saying that the people in your workplace don't like you. Them they like you because you look good. Me get a little profit for tell you. The people in your workplace, the girl them when in your workplace, them don't like you because you look good and you shape good and you carry yourself nice and you always smell good. That's how she go on and on and on and on. And me say, She say, yeah, but you never say nothing to them because God got you and God have plans for you. And the girl that was up on the second floor, the brown girl, yeah, she a work upon you. I'm just stand up there and me and look upon her and it's like, more shut her a box. But the Lord is like, just listen to the devil. Just listen to the devil because who else could it be? Who else could it be? You come out of the blues. You wake up this morning and just decide to walk around and tell lies like that. Because first of all, you already know I one patient me take care of me in a house, me in a home. Me not see other people. I don't even see my boss. My worksheet them I have email to them, not email. Me have mail them to them every month. All worksheet, all progressive sheet of email. My time sheet a week time, me have to take a picture it and send it to them. Even though we still clock, we have to clock on our patient phone. But you still have to do a time sheet. I have to send it to them every Thursday. Your progressive sheet, then you have to write every day and you have to send it to them every month because we're so far from these people. Me not say Pete, the only person I see every day is my client. Nobody. She don't have no family live with her, nobody. So who is the brown girl we don't like me, miss? Who exactly? Hey! So these people are so it just not me just not understand it. Me just not understand it. Like, why? What's the purpose? You know, what's the purpose of doing stuff like that? And all the time them do things like this, you know. All the time them do it and then they make people hate other people. Because if I was really in a workplace, in a hospital right now, or in a one home, or anywhere where me have co-workers, I'm sure there would be a brown girl. I'm sure tomorrow me will go to work and me not gonna talk to her because the Lord say you're doing me things because you're bad mind and you grudge me. So I'm like, it's crazy. But yeah, that was just a little experience that I want to tell them before I forget, because this is mine, yeah. No work right. But ain't that some bullshit though? Isn't that like crazy? Unnecessary ways for spend your time. Don't make sense. But anyway, cuties, when we get home, I'm sure the next price tag. People out here, them shop ya. Why make the car wash off a full sir? What's going on? Why? Boy, I don't know how people drive with deadlights then I couldn't do it. I don't know how they do all of that.
Hey guys. Hey cuties. I'm home. I'm gonna wash up some plates and then I'll cook some food. Okay? Alright guys, let me show you now. The light is so nice. Oh God.
Thirsty on. Forget some lemon a while ago. Alright, cuties, let me show you a little vibes. Is it? I cook some food fast and quick, but before I do that, I'm going to show you now. This is the bag. I'm not take nothing out of the bag yet, right? Because I know I'm not trip. I know I'm not stupid. Like, something definitely wrong with a store. There is either them put the price in wrong, or something, but no. I get, where's the receipt there? Oh, leave the receipt for last. Remember what I took up at last store, right? I get 2 coconut powder. I get pepper. I get one green, very big green sweet pepper. I get thyme. Same thing when I pick up at last place. I get 3 tomato. I get a big red sweet pepper. Basmati rice. What this name again? Oh my God. I wanna see it. Yeah, I get that. I get orange and yellow sweet pepper. I couldn't get no big pear, so I get one little avocado. I don't know. I just get one. Them spoil too easy. Scallion even more than the last one. We get one jerk season because I love, if you never tried this before, put local jerk sauce in a kidney. You never go back the regular way. Nice. The spice we get. And we get a bag of onion. It got about 6 in it. Or 5. 5. We get 2 parsley kidney. Parsley you call this? Whatever. We get 2. See that? 2 big pieces. And that's it. That, I never get half of the things I'm over next door. Everything has to come up to $46. Open, you can see that. $46. No, make it make sense. Make it make sense. We get the whole entire meal plus even more for the same 46, for the same $48. How that they go around the South Africa, I don't know. But like I say, and guess what? This is not even a cheap store. This is also a Jamaican store. And you know, them local Jamaican convenience store are kind of a little more pricey than the supermarket. So if I go to the supermarket, if you get the season them, but I probably spend $15 maybe for way more season. But nevertheless, I just there one day if me go crazy. Cause them people here lately, I get my light and my set up and come show now how I cook this real fast and quick. Cause Mummy want dinner. Mummy not eat meat no more. She not lent over. So our fasting done. So she can't eat meat now. So I'm gonna try to cook this real quick and fast. Carry some go get her. and got the people at work. I mean, if I'm me one, but the angle I give, bright light, natural light too. I love that. Y'all can see everything. Okay guys, so for those who don't know how to cook kidney, this part is very, very important, all right? The step is very important, so look closely, all right? You see this piece here? The white piece, I don't know, I think it's called a membrane. It can't eat, so you have to take it out completely. Watch and see how I get it out. See this? You have to get it off completely and then you cut it small. You don't have to cut it this small, just this is just the way I like it. I like when the meat them tiny. So this is what it looked like, guys. These are the clean pieces. As you can see, no more white stuff on them. Yeah, so, and then this is the amount we are dash away. So just imagine, like, you see this? So much. You buy 10 pound, you only get maybe 4 pound of a dash away. So that's why I said pay attention to this part, alright? Because the meat will never cook if you not cut off that. Wash it with vinegar, guys. Wash it till it not smell nothing. The brownie now watery, hey. Look. Put a brownie there. Like a soya sauce. Remember brownie in Jamaica? You have forget it out of the buckle. One look at hot on your brown stew chicken, get F up. But the one you look more better. I'm put back this rotted. Alright guys, make a season it. I use some garlic powder. Gonna use some all-purpose. Some of y'all know what this is. For those who don't know, it's Jamaican season mix up. Black pepper, browning. I'm gonna put 1.5 spoon of the jerk sauce. As for the green season, I put 2 spoons right in there.
Guys, my favorite thing to do in the kitchen is season meat. I swear to you. I love it. I love seasoning meat, yo. Smells so good. And if me I keep a big party, I may have a caterer, whatever. I would love to season all my food and then y'all could cook it. You know what I mean? That would definitely help me if me ever have like a huge birthday celebration or something like that. Yeah. Look. I don't want it that way. But it will season and smell good. Alright. Only a little bit of oil. And now I'm gonna add no water. You so much water at spring already. So yeah, you just leave it, make it own water and make it cook. Alright. Ketchup, guys. I'll put a little more all-purpose because I taste it and it's fresh. And I don't want to use no salt. So I just use a little bit of all-purpose. Alright guys, this done now. Doctor. The doctor said vitamin D very low. What am I take for that?
Vitamin D. Him not prescribe none?
They prescribe something, but you know, I can't do foreign pill.
No, you have to take it. Them are going to give you the vitamin D where you take once a week.
Not once every day.
No, they them are give you once a day vitamin D. No,
it's supposed to be 3 something.
Me have my vitamin D.
So I just pill alone we can take for that?
Yeah.
There's nothing?
Nothing. We not have enough vitamin D here, so not the sun. Jamaica, it's different.
I mean, I'm going to sun.
That's the point. So that's why you're low. You can take up some of them, you know.
How around there?
One bag of hello.
Say hey to the vlog.
What?
Say hey, cuties. Just big up the vlog now, man, and stop the foolishness. One lady said the other day, say, I wonder how many see a man in the comment I run up and down. Them know you are left 50 comment one time.
Tim, you can take them here. And you can pull up that bag of snacks there. I want cereal. I buy the box of 2 coming at it.
Yeah.
1 box of snacks up unless you can take out some. I can take out some of my tangerine. The things them in the car to come up, man.
Last night, I said this year, and I'm over, grandma. This is what she ever said. Take up this, take up that, take up this, and go on. Garbage box, my dear, grandma.
Garbage bag underneath this stuff.
Damn, I can't go over.
The next one. Yeah?
You eat already?
Yeah, me just don't eat because something for the first from man, so I can't wait for your dinner.
No, I say you must say I say me take forever when me a cook.
Yeah, me can't manage them long business there. Your food up for the next day.
Yeah.
Double time, man. For 1 hour, 2 hours,
Yeah,
right?
the video.
Kidney and rice, man, take 2 days. Oh, God.
This is the fastest one. This done
So look
quick.
here, oh, you cook salt mackerel or something Sunday morning.
I did not do that, mommy. I post it Sunday morning. I post Sunday morning for Christmas break, but I cook that for a week of the week.
So you say Sunday morning breakfast?
Because of Christmas,
No, she
you
does
know,
that. No Christmas, Easter, she does that trick them. She does that trick them with that.
So that's why I say, oh, you cook salt mackerel or something big Easter Sunday, you not give me no breakfast.
You're mad with me? I'm gonna cook Sunday morning and I call
I
you.
cook this out, mackerel.
I want to say Monday or Tuesday, way up in the week and save it.
Oh my good God. The way I bet on you have a attack in your piece of mackerel and food.
No, sir.
And it cook for in a week.
For a way up in the week. Get it done New York when I cook.
Yeah. Cha-cha.
I put it in your bag. I will leave you now.
Good night. Good night. Good night. When I just come shop and gone.
Scrape the place.
Yeah, little more. I go talk to the young lady tomorrow evening and we take it from there. Alright then.
Alright, bye. Love you.
Very much.
Yo! Oh, that's a festive team. You know, the summertime. You know the yard, yeah? People loving it too, you see? What? The people that want to live here now.